It's 3 a.m. and I'm here at the Shenzhen airport waiting to catch my flight to Bangkok, Thailand. I'm 2 hours early, so I have this feeling that I'm going to make it. I'm Craig and this is Cinematic Something, where I take you on my journey to film something I think looks kind of nice. The goal here is to find something visually stunning and film it in a way that doesn't suck. I've heard great things about Bangkok for years, so let's get to it. Action item number 1. Eat something. Hi, are you open? Very important. Done. Oh look, there's a street market. Gotta check that out. Markets are usually cinematic gold. Okay, grab the camera and let's go. This is just not going well. I am tired and I'm filming strangers. They don't want to be filmed. I also have a wide-angle lens on, so I have to get close to them to film anything good. I don't know what I was thinking. Mostly I'm just tired and so I'm not doing great. I always know when I'm off my game when I start filming cats. Like this. This. Oh, that one's pretty cute. I'm not on my game today, but I have something planned I think might help clear my head.
And please do not change gear suddenly from 1 to 6 because
Okay.
the chain might come out.
Got it. I realized I needed a clear subject. Filming people on the street is difficult. Permission is hard, people look at you weird, so I started thinking about filming some local wildlife maybe. But what kind?
We call permit. You can take a video. In Thai we call Nom Kok or Thai it's made of rice flour.
You can tell the bike tour was amazing. I really hit it off with my guide Prayuth, who started the business after losing his tourism job during the pandemic. Through this tour, he was bringing people to the part of town that he had grown up in, and then introducing them to the people he had actually grown up with. It was pretty inspiring. I hadn't shot anything I felt was worthwhile, so I went to a coffee shop and decided to have a little brainstorm session. That's when Apple Maps, for once, gave me a useful idea. This is Bangkok's Butterfly Garden and Insectarium, where I found these colorful subjects. No need for a release form here. They begged me to be on camera. Something about a short life and carpe diem. I felt pretty satisfied with the butterflies. I mean, they're kind of beautiful, right? But I did learn a few things. Nature cinematography is no joke. And even shooting in slow motion with plenty of light, trying to follow these little critters is nearly impossible. All of it just requires monk-level patience. That's it for today. Helpful tip, butterflies live longer when you like and subscribe to Cinematic Something. So do that.